Hi, my loves. I am back. I am so sorry. I have gone MIA, but she's back and she's here to stay. She's back! I know I've been missed. I miss me too. But I'm back. Cini's World is back in action. October was an insane month. I'm going to drop a few photos so you guys can see. And tomorrow I'm posting my first vlog since I've been gone. So make sure you guys subscribe and you like to Cini's World. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Massini_forever, okay? I'll talk to you soon. I can't wait. Bye!